How to check if iPhone is renewed. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. At the top of the screen, tap on About. Wait for the device details to load on this page. Find the line labeled Model Number. If you see an A code, tap on Model Number to reveal the part number. Look at the first letter of this part number on the right. M at the beginning indicates a retail unit sold new. F indicates a refurbished or renewed unit. N indicates an Apple replacement device. And P indicates a personalized retail unit. The About page displays device name, software version, model name, and other details. If needed, tap on Model Number again to switch back to the A code view. Confirm the first letter to identify whether the device is new, refurbished, replacement, or personalized. Once you have checked the letter and understood what it means, you are done. Following these steps, you can easily check if your iPhone is renewed.